up on YouTube. I'm so happy. I'm on YouTube wakeboarding. It's been brilliant. Showing my legs. Like, oh, look how good I am. I'm amazing. Look at me. 100%. Showing all the girls. We haven't got it in the office. I'm going to show all the girls in the office. So you'll love it. So no, fucking company. Wakeboarding and playing posh mates. Oh!
Playing what?
Playing with posh mates. Tell I can't do two things at once. I can't talk to you and video, which means this whole section is going to be quite boring. Sorry!